Let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is a website for watching videos. It is free for everyone. People watch YouTube on a phone or a television. There are millions of videos on YouTube. Some videos are only a few seconds long. Others are more than an hour long. You can find videos about almost any subject. Music, sports, and games are very popular. Some people watch travel videos from other countries. Creators make new videos for their viewers. Each creator has their own channel. You can subscribe to a channel for free. New videos then appear on your home page. You can like a video with one tap. Many viewers leave a short comment. Creators often read the comments. You can search for any topic. YouTube also suggests new videos for you. Short advertisements play before some videos. You can skip many of them. Some creators go live on camera. Viewers send messages during a live video. Many people learn English on YouTube. You can watch a difficult video again and again. You can turn on subtitles for help. YouTube brings the whole world to your screen.